Hello everyone, this is Bhupender Singh. Once again, I am with a new topic, how to program customized Wi-Fi IoT board with live hardware. So here we start. As you see, this is the customized Wi-Fi IoT board with lots of powerful features. It has inbuilt Atmega 328 IC that is compatible with Atmel AVR Studio as well as Arduino IDE. These are the programming pins so that you can easily interface it with the programmer. And this is ESP12V Wi-Fi that is inbuilt in this board so that you can easily connect your board with Internet of Things applications through Wi-Fi. These are the programming pins for it. This is UART programmer for this board. You can interface it with PC via USB cable. You have to connect it with your IoT board like this. Be careful while connecting your programmer with board. It can harm your board if you connect it wrong. Now I am connecting it with my computer's USB port. As you can see, board is powered up through USB cable. You need to download the programmer driver to program your IoT board. Many of the Windows have pre-installed it, but if you didn't find it, then you can download it from the below given link in the description. And if you don't know how to install the programmer in your computer, you can also see our video how to install the CS340 UART programmer for customized Arduino boards. Link is available in the description for your reference. And this is ring LED patch to connect it with our board. We are taking two female to female wires and connect one pin to ground and another pin to any LED pin. This is the board pin diagram. Please refer this to connect LED. I am connecting the LED to pin number 3. Now open the Arduino IDE and write the test program. You can download the program from the link that is available in the description. After uploading the program, you can see the output in hardware as well as in the serial monitor. LED is blinking perfectly with 1 second delay. Now it's time to program the inbuilt Wi-Fi ESP12E in the IoT board. I am connecting the programmer with the programming pins. Open new programming window in the Arduino IDE and write the test program. You need to install Wi-Fi board library in Arduino IDE. So you need to go to the description of the video and copy the link to install the Wi-Fi board. Now in Arduino IDE, go to File tab and click on Preference. The preference window will appear. Go to the additional board manager URL and paste here the copied link and click OK. Remember that you need an internet connected to your laptop or computer. It will install the board from the internet to your computer directly. Now go to the Tools tab, click on Board and now click on Boards Manager. Search here for ESP8266. You will see the board installation repository here. You have to click the install button to install it to your Arduino IDE. I have already installed it. When installation finished, click on OK button. Now again go to Tools tab, click on Board and scroll down the below. You will see the ESP8266 boards. Scroll down more. You will get the Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E module. Select it. Your Arduino IDE is ready to program the Wi-Fi board. Now write the program to test your ESP12E. After finishing the program, connect your board with your computer. Now go to Tools. Note that you don't need to change any configuration of Wi-Fi board. Click on Port and select the port number like COM9. I am also adding the serial output commands for those who don't have LED to connect with board, so that they can test their board serially. Now upload the program to ESP Wi-Fi. Note that there are two modes in all Wi-Fi boards: running mode and setup mode. By default, all the boards are in running mode. While we need to write program in Wi-Fi board, then we need to put the Wi-Fi board in setup mode. So we have two buttons in the top of Wi-Fi board. Left button is flash and right button is reset. You can also see the board pinout for more details. So what do we do to write the program? We press and hold the flash button, then press the reset button and release, and at last we release the flash button. Now our board is in setup mode. Program is uploading to the Wi-Fi board. After uploading the program, you need to disconnect the USB from computer and again connect it so that it can come in running mode. As you can see, inbuilt LED glow as per program. Now I am connecting the LED with Wi-Fi board's D4 pin. The LED is blinking with 1 second delay perfectly. So this is how you can program your customized IoT board. Thanks for watching.